Hi dear friends, you can see the peacocks. They are really spreading their wings, beautiful. But as I am just sitting there and they are laid down, so I cannot show you their entire body, but this is the tails they have spread and so beautiful it is. And there are two there, you can see another one. Side by side they are really dancing. And they are playing, dancing. They are dancing and they are playing beautifully, you see. They are just below the stone where I am sitting on the mountain studying, and these beautiful peacocks are really dancing. Here you can see wings are so beautiful, tails. Side by side, you see, side by side. If I go closer to them, they will escape for their lives. So I don't like to disturb them. But whatever they are showing me, I really feel happy. And now I feel they are part of my family here. We all stay together. And they are just moving and they are just dancing. And this is a beautiful gesture by these peacocks. Side by side they are. I don't like to disturb them. I can show you the background. This is a forest area. Not a big forest, but this is the university campus of Osmania in Hyderabad. Come to the peacock. Thank you.